I think innately in me was this question: who is my mother? For me, it was really just about the magic of meeting her, just seeing her.
Ireland of the past was a very cruel place if you weren't leading the life that everybody expected you to lead.
Why would a church and a state deny a mother the right to rear its own child?
They said about demonising people, they said about separating people, and they said about contaminating people as moral risks and unworthy of God.
Probably are very few Irish families who aren't affected in some way by this past.
Mum, I'm thinking of following up on my birth family. You know, afraid of the impact of that on my mum. I got all these addresses from Canada. It could be yes or it could be no, and if it's a no, do I want to push against that? The primary thing was whether she'd be alive or not. And it was like out of the blue. Oh my God, I don't believe this.